Did you have a bad experience with your driving instructor? Or did you just have a fight with your partner while practicing driving? Do you have a bad feeling about learning to drive? Or maybe you just failed your driving test and have no idea why? Or are you just a beginner who isn't sure where to begin? So, whatever your circumstances may be, don't give up hope. Welcome to our new series, The Journey with a Learner. You'll see learners, just like you, taking real driving lessons with the real driving instructor in real life. You'll notice that they feel exactly the same way you do while driving. You can then relate with them and learn from them as they drive with their instructor. They pay to get the lesson, but you can learn from them by watching them driving for free. So, why are you waiting for? Just subscribe to the channel and join us on the journey with a learner. And we're looking forward to welcoming you aboard.
My name is Linh. I'm from Vietnam. I came to Australia around 5 years ago, and I finished Bachelor of Accounting and learning to drive, so I can drive by myself.
Okay, keep going around, as much as you can go. Keep going, don't worry, just go, keep going. And then stop behind the red car there, okay? Okay. So look at the red car, indicate left, okay. And stop here. Okay. So for the 3-point turn, basically we have to choose a spot to stop. So if you have chosen this spot, you have to indicate before stopping, and also do the left head check because we moving sideways to the left. Just to make sure nobody else actually trying to get in to the spot before us. Okay. So did you do the head check? Not really. How do you know how to do the head check?
On the left.
Okay, so if you look at the left straight, this is not the blind point check here. It will be on the second window here.
Oh, okay.
Okay, that's the head check spot actually. So head check, blind point check, shoulder check, it's the same thing but different names. Why is that? Because when you do the checking, basically we turn our head over the shoulder to check the blind spot. That's why it got 3 different names, but same thing. Alright. So for the left side head check, it will be second window here. For the right hand head check, it will be second window there. Okay. So this is our first step before the 3-point. We stop nicely and safely in one spot, and always choose a spot where you can make the 3-point turn. Don't stop somewhere there's a car on the other side and you cannot turn. Not like this. Okay. Do you understand what is 3-point turn?
Yeah.
It's making a U-turn.
Yeah.
But if the road is narrow, we cannot go. We cannot do it in one go.
Yeah.
We have to go and we get stuck with the other side. So you have to reverse and then we turn around. That's called 3-point turn. Okay. Yeah. Because we're doing in three direction changes. Okay. So first thing is indicate to the right. Indicate right. And now you can slowly leave your brake and then turn the steering. But other way is, I recommend is, you turn the steering full to the right and then you lift the brake. So turn the steering first, and there is one more thing to do before you go. You need to check full 3 checking. Stop. Full 3 checking start from here. No, stop, let me finish. Full 3 checking start from this mirror side, and then side mirror, and then the right blind spot. Make sure no one around you, then you can go. And also make sure nobody coming from the front. So first in the front, then mirror, then side mirror, then the blind spot. See the cyclist coming now, and he's not looking at you at all. Wow. So you have to be very careful. Okay. Very observing when you're doing this. So under the window, from the front you cannot see much. So what you try to do, you should try to see under the mirror. Just move a little bit to the sideways. Move to the right side. Like look at me. Yeah. Try to look through here. Under the window. See how much you can go. Bit more. Okay, stop. Enough. I think that's enough. Now put on reverse. First, always change the gear first. Okay. Because what happened later we forget. Yeah. So always change the gear first. Now turn full to the left while you holding the brake. Okay. Now before reversing, you have to do 3 checks. So right side, make sure no one coming from the right hand side.
What is that?
That means somebody is close. Yeah, somebody was crossing the road behind us. That's why. Okay. So need to check on the right. Need to check on the left. You need to check on the back. No one around? No, okay, just slowly, very slowly. Not it's too fast, very too fast. Okay, very slowly. Okay, enough. Just stop. This is just the engine started.
Oh.
Okay, now put on drive. Stop. Now turn straight to the right. Full right. And then you get to check right, make sure no one coming from the right hand side, and also check on the left to make sure no one coming from the left side. All clear now?
Yeah.
Okay. Watch out this man. Okay, now you can go slowly. And when you turn, definitely you choose your own lane. Don't go wrong side. If you go wrong side, it will fail for the test. So keep on the left side. Yeah, keep all the way left side. Even you're turning in this wavy corner, you have to keep following your own lane. Look to the right, and you aim to keep close to the black car on the left. Good. Now if you look ahead, there's a roundabout coming ahead, or whatever it is, and we can see there is center line. So comparing with the center line, maintain your lane. Now left at this end. Okay, turn quickly and look as far as you can see and follow the line. Good. So how was it? How was the 3-point turn?
Yeah, it was good.
Good. We'll do it again. Just keep following this curve. When the road is wavy, curvy like this, if the curve goes to the right, you keep a little bit to the left. That will give you enough room to turn around. Sun is coming straight to the eyes, huh?
Yeah.
Good. This is one of the difficult time of driving because of very low visibility. I've wear my sunglasses. Oh, it's too close. Careful. So even though the road is wavy, you have to keep in your lane. So if going right, you keep a little bit to the left, but look far so that it guides you where to go and how to go. Slow down. So move around the curve. So go a little bit to the right and then come back to the left. But look far. And this center line should guide you. Slow down, this is a hump coming ahead.
So there are 3 lanes here.
Slow down. Before we join to the main road, we'll want to do a 3-point turn from here somewhere. So indicate left. So you see the last car parked on the left. After that, just stop near the grass on the left. Good. Continue ahead. Go a bit more ahead so that we can use the empty space on the right in front of the red car to do the 3-point turn. Okay. Bit more ahead. Okay, stop now. Okay, stop. Okay, now you do it. I will see how you do it. As you do, can you explain what you're doing and how you're doing?
Indicator, check 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
And I'll go.
Also the front, don't forget the front. How much you can go?
Yeah.
How do you see to how much you can go?
Under the mirror.
Under the mirror, yeah.
Check gear.
Change gear to
Reverse, yes.
Good.
Indicator left.
This time you don't need to really indicate, but no mark down if you do the indicator.
Oh, okay.
But you don't necessarily need it.
So I check the wheels.
All the way, good. All the way to the left, yes?
Yeah, left.
And then you check where?
Check in front, the rear mirror, and the left, and check in the back all the time.
Okay, you can check all around, basically 360 degree, but you have to mention there are 3 head checks. So right head check to the right road, left head check to the left road, and to the back. If the cars are waiting, let them go. Let them go.
Yeah.
Let them go. You can see the camera, they went past. Okay, now check again. If we have to wait for somebody or something, before you move, you should check again all around. So right, left, and back.
Okay.
Check now. Right, left, and back. That's it. And then reverse. Reverse as much as you need. The best way to see is on the side mirror, especially the top one. It shows you how much you can go safely. Look at the top one. Can you see the tire, how much is going?
Yeah.
Yeah, backing. Okay, good.
Nice.
And you can also take the advantage of the camera if you need to. It's better if you go a bit more.
Okay.
In the process of reversing, if you touch the curb, it's not a fail. But if you go over, that's a fail.
Go over
the curb.
Oh, okay.
If you go over it will be fail. But if you just softly touch it, it's not a problem.
Okay.
Now turn all the way. And then what are you supposed to do?
Check on the right. Check in front on the right and go.
Don't confuse yourself. Check on the right,
Yeah.
and check on the left, because somebody may come from the left now.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah, and then you go to your own lane. That is also important. Don't go wrong side. Okay, because sometimes what happen, because of overturning, the cars are moving to the wrong side, but it will be fail if you do so.
Check everywhere.
Yeah. So you never drove a car before?
No, I never tried this.
So this is the 3rd lesson. You're doing very good. Now you need to maintain your own lane, and in the process you see that it's a crack in the middle, or like a color difference of the road. So stick to that. Stick to the crack. Whenever you're driving, you should always focus your own lane. Keep close to the center. Slowly, but not too close. So be careful here, because the road is very narrow due to the parked car. So in this case, you have to try to leave enough gap to the parked car, and if you need to touch the line, you can touch the line. But still, we need to try to leave a little bit gap with the parked car. Okay. Now, when there is no parked car, you must come back to the lane.
Lin has learned how to do the 3-point turn maneuver step by step in this lesson. Precisely, this is how you should do it in your practical driving test. Remember, the head checks are very important during this maneuver, and there are 6 head checks in this maneuver. Most of the time, learners either miss out on any of these checks or do it in an inappropriate way or time. Lin has practiced few times this maneuver with his instructor. We will show you how he kept improving in this maneuver in our next part. Keep watching him till you get it right to the test requirements. Driving in our next video. Stay safe till then. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the tutorial, subscribe to our RDT121 channel to get more amazing videos in the future. Please let us know what you would like to see more of.